his last breath. Ebebe lugo be lo kesli be ya be ni agoni ebo get best. Ogeneje. The land rejects you, Zemina. The land calls our days. The gods have spoken.
This is pure witchcraft, and I reject what you just said.
Then you shall accept the wrath of the gods. The gods have chosen. It is obvious that the spirit of Chike stands by his daughter Ade.
Mom.
Walking Puanu's before the land swallows what doesn't belong.
You!
Why I'm coming?
Mommy, Grandpa said the wind is poisoned. He said Uncle Sunday opened a door.
What door? What did he say?
He said, tell your mother not to fear the snake she sees. It is an egg in the fire she should watch.
Please, Adeze, I didn't come to fight. I came for us to talk.
The time for talking ended when you left me to carry these burdens alone. You came back for something. But let me warn you. What you touched before will burn you now.
Hey! I'm not even scared of your fire.
Then be ready to meet the one that does not go outside, but burns inside.
You shall see. You got to hear.
Even when she thought I wasn't there, I watched her. Every laugh, every stumble, every little victory, I was there. Not seen, but present. Ebube, tell your mother I never left her side. I was there when she was heartbroken. I was there when she wanted to give up her life. I fought battles for her in silence.
Why don't you just tell her yourself?
She will not hear me. But you have the light. You are the bridge. The warning has been given. The enemy is coming with a smiling face. Tell her to wake up and pray. There is a shadow coming under her doorstep.
Mommy, I've been willing to ask you, that old picture, who is that man beside Grandma?
That is my father, your grandfather. He died 2 years ago.
Well, he looks like someone who likes to smile.
I don't really remember. He was always far away.
I saw him in my dream last night.
What?
He said I should tell you that you should wake up and pray. There is a shadow coming to our doorstep.
How can a man die and start appearing in dreams? He was not even there while I was growing up, always traveling. Mom always tell me about him, but I barely see him. He was not alive when I gave birth, or even when I cried myself to sleep with no one to run to. Why now? Why my daughter? Why not me?
If Papa ever talks about me,
Grandma, good afternoon.
Malacham, how are you? Ada. Your father was never a man who used words carelessly. Whenever he comes back from travel, he will always ask, did my Adeze eat very well? Is she smiling? Ada this, Ada that. He will always want to know everything about you.
And why did I feel invisible in his world?
Some men show love like rain, loud, while some show it like the morning dew, silent, gentle, but he was always there.
I lived my life thinking I wasn't loved by Papa. I built walls around the heart that was supposed to be there.
Ada, your father was never perfect. But I assure you of one thing. You were never unloved. His love was always there. You were loved greatly by your father.
The chosen one from her bloodline. The chosen one from her bloodline. The chosen one from her bloodline.
It's true there have been
confrontations and challenges ahead. The chosen one from her bloodline. And there's a woman, the chosen one from her bloodline.
Ebube, do you know why your grandfather speaks to you?
Because my mom's ears are closed, but my dreams are opened.
My child, your spirit is awake. But be careful. When children carry light, darkness tries to dim it early.
But in the night, sometimes while I'm sleeping, I feel something pressing my chest. But Grandpa comes to chase it away.
It's not a dream. That is an attack. But now we must fight it. When stranger returns with an apology, do not open the door. The past wears perfume now. His ends are so bloody.
So what do I do, Mama?
Stay close to light. The gift your grandfather gave you is still growing. You will use it.
Okay.
Soon, he will come. He will knock. He will speak as if he's a changed man. But he still carries the fire that burned you once.
And why is he allowed to come back?
Because unfinished battles repeat itself. But this time, you must not fight alone.
Oh, Papa, I am ready now.
You must pray before you answer.
I think I know who it is.
You already know the battle that knocks at your gates. But this time, do not open with emotions. Open with the sentiment.
We are living in the world full of evil. Evil people everywhere. Ndio joy when you face the ones you know, another will suffer. The chosen one from her bloodline. It's true there are many oppositions and challenges ahead. The chosen one from her bloodline. And there's a woman, the chosen one from her bloodline. And there's a Ebube, The spirit of your father is there for you. Don't fear, fear is for cowards. Because of the father. Inanugwa konada. Because of the father. Inanugwa konara. Because of the father. Inanugwa the voice. Because of the father. Inanugwa konada.
I passed him last night and I heard you murmuring and listening to yourself. Is it a nightmare or the voice from
Victory is assured.
I saw Papa.
Darkness disappear. Because of the
He was by the old riverside with his arms open. He called me Ma. That name used to make me feel special. But right now, it scares me. Ma. Ma is not just a name. It's your identity. He called you that name when you first took your breath under the Oyekwe tree. It's a name that shields. A name that speaks. You may not have seen him often in flesh, but he's always there to protect you. I needed to feel the love when he was alive. Not now that he is dead. He keeps appearing in dreams. Sometimes, the love of a man is love in his silence. The father fought many battles in the spiritual realm just to protect you. That kind of love that might not hold your hands, but always there to protect the shadows. Papa, if you truly walk with me, if these dreams are not tricks of the night, then show me a sign. Not just for me alone, but for Ebube too. She sees you. She is a child, but she's waking up to truth. I don't understand. Please. I never knew Papa made a covenant for me. Why did you people keep it from me? Not all covenants are made for the world to know. He made this covenant the night you survived the strange illness. He knelt down, just bed, and promised the spirit that you will continue from where he stopped. That he will do what he could not. I never knew he made a covenant for me to live. The love of a man who knows the spiritual realms is different. He knew that words were not enough. So he built a shield. He built a shield, and it is time for you to reclaim it.
The spirit of your father is there for you. Don't fear, fear is for cowards. Because of the father. Inanugwa konada. Because of the father. Inanugwa konara.
You are under the covenant of my soul. The fire in you is by inheritance.
Grandpa, are you real?
More real than the fear they put in you. Listen closely, Ebube. Danger is near, but do not fear. My oath still holds. But warn your mother, the one with the teeth made of knife is near. He's coming to take the crown buried under her feet. Warn her. Warn her. Warn her. Warn her.
Ebube, what is it?
It was just a dream.
Tell me about it. Everything you saw. Do not skip anything. What happened?
He came again. Mommy, Grandpa. He stood by the big Oyekwe tree in the spirit place. His eyes were like the moon. He said I should warn you.
Warn me? Warn me about what?
He said I should warn you. He said the ones who smile with teeth made of knives is near. He said he's here to take the crown buried under her feet. But Mommy, I don't understand. What crown?
You will not understand. Your father is trying to protect us. The crown he is talking about is not silver nor gold. He is talking about destiny. They think they will take it away from me because I am a woman.
Will they hurt you, Mom?
Not while I am still standing strong. Not when I know the blood that flows in me. Not when your grandfather keeps sending his voice through you. You are now a seer. My guide.
The chosen one from my bloodline. The chosen one.
You walk on borrowed time, Adezi. The wind carries whispers of betrayal.
The chosen one.
The bloodline which you hold is not for weak hands.
I came here to know the truth. My daughter Ebube, she dreams. Why is he loud now that he's dead?
Because your father's silence was protection. Death breaks seals. His passing awakened old depths of hidden enemies.
Enemies? What enemies? I have lived quietly. I have never begged anyone for honor nor land.
You are right. Honor, Adeze, is not begged for. It is inherited. And yours came through pain. Your father sealed your name with sacrifice for you to live. And his brother Ozemena wants to erase that sin.
He should try. I may be one woman, but I never walk alone. The dead walk with me.
Then stand tall, daughter of Chike. For soon, your feet shall enter fire, but your voice must not tremble.
Always be courageous and desert. For the strength of your father, because of the father, is with you always. Because of the father.
Ozemena, I thought the spirit has swallowed you.
I don't know which winds that brought you to this land that you left after your brother's death. Eh?
I have come to collect what belongs to the bloodline.
I see.
Chike's child is my duty to guide, and his gift is not supposed to be left in the hands of a woman and river talk.
Then let the God speak. You, not your pride. Not your pride at all. You never laid a hand on all your conduct yourself. Why now?
Because the time has come.
I see.
And the gods spoke to me.
Which gods?
The gods of our fathers.
Which god of your fathers?
Great elders. Chike, my brother, is gone. And his gift, his inheritance, his house is empty. And I am the rightful heir to take over.
You were not there when I felt not even when my father died. You deserted us. Now you came back to claim what does not belong to you.
Shut your mouth, girl. You don't talk when elders are talking.
Then today I stand as one who speaks with womb and war. My father's spirit walks through me. Destiny, I represent you from the dust.
Yeah, monkey Chema.
Ipeka. Nko gwa reba. Ikaba. Bakaba. Yota. If you gwa re. Ikaba. Idare you came to Yotago. You came to reap where you did not sow.
A great test is before you are James. Because there you must reclaim a stone beneath your father's house.
Stone?
A stone. A symbol of your true place. That stone holds his final breath. His covenant. It must not fall into Ozemena's hands.
Should I go with my daughter?
No! Anene! Spirits may fight her from touching. You must go alone as soon as possible. Be faster than immediately, woman! Bam! Baguna Balaji!
The chosen one from her bloodline. It's true there are many oppositions and challenges ahead. The chosen one from her bloodline. And there's a woman, the chosen one from her bloodline.
That's what I'm saying. You know, one way somebody like that. I don't like so many. kind of a thing. I don't like it. My brothers, please. I didn't come here for division.
Can you imagine?
I came here to uphold tradition. My brother's only child is a woman. And women are not allowed to oversee sacred land.
Ozemena. Listen, I understand your concern. On a more serious note, but let me tell you one thing. Our tradition must be heard.
My elders, I greet you.
Daughter of Chike, you are here again.
Yeah, she's here.
This stone was buried beneath my father's old hut. His last breath kissed it. My name is carved on it.
Can see it.
Not yours, Ozemena. You claim manhood over inheritance, but the gods choose blood.
All lies.
I said this man.
She planted the stone. She planted this stone. Yes, she kept that stone there.
Can you prove that?
My elders, I do not choose this burden. The gods chose me. My daughter Ebube, she dreams of my father's warning. The priestess confirms it. And last night, I heard my father's voice. His covenant is with me.
This is deep. When a child dreams, the ancestors are not far. Yes. Let us consult the priestess before we divide what we do not understand. Why
not? Why not see the inscription there? That's why I told you. I don't see.
Pepper, I never understood you when you were here. I thought your silence was rejection. I felt you built a wall of silence. But now I see you are building a wall around me with silence.
And challenges ahead.
A war made of sacrifice.
From her bloodline.
You should have told me. I should have known.
The chosen one. From
Why didn't you tell me?
God taught us to show love with words. But I showed it when I first contact with the living back. When I saw my father go for medicine. When I turned out to Jesus, so the won't marry off. You want to become what I was. Speak what I could not. Fight with love and courage.
And there's the spirit of your father is there for you. Don't fear, fear is for cowards. Because of the father. Inanugwa konada. Because of the father. Inanugwa konara. Because of the father. Inanugwa the voice. Because of the father. Inanugwa konada. Because
Who holds the rightful God for the land of who walks with his last breath? Ebebe lugo be lu kesiri be ya be ni agoni ebo ga ebe. Ogeneje. The land rejects you, Zemina. The land calls our days. The gods have spoken.
This is pure witchcraft, and I reject what you just said.
Then you shall accept the wrath of the gods. The gods have chosen. It is obvious that the spirit of Chike stands by his daughter Ade. Walking Pwanuzo before the land swallows what doesn't belong.
You stand against me. Till him bet. Till him bet.
Adeze, you have made us proud. We are very much proud of you. At least you've made our young ladies to know that they can do more than bearing a child and all this fetching of water, carry on sweeping, doing all this domestic work, being a housewife, stuff like that. Then they now do things that is very, very important in the society. So that's why we came with all these items to appreciate you.
I am happy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I didn't do it alone. I worked with voices from the grave. I am still learning. I will lead, not from above, but beside you all.
In that case, we are happy to have you as our own.
Mommy, Grandpa came in my dream again. He was smiling this time.
That means he's resting now. His work is done. Ours begins now. Talon, thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Okay. So, should we take it inside?
I have lost everything. She insulted me in front of the villagers. And now, they bow before her.
Power is not given. It is taken. If our father protects her in the spirit realm, then we must summon something. Something stronger. Something older than our father.
I want her finished. I want that child mute and to cease.
Then you must bring the blood of a king. Someone close. Something that ties you and her.
Her late father's hair. I still have it. I still have it.
Bring it at midnight. Bring along our black goat. The earth will listen. But I must warn you, the price may be bigger than you expect.
You mean your child slept and you woke up? Go, I am coming.
Mommy, Grandpa said the wind is poisoned. He said Uncle Sunday opened a door.
What door? What did he say?
He said, tell your mother not to fear the snake she sees. It is an egg in the fire. She should watch.
Ogochukwu. This is no fever of the body. It is war from the unseen. Something has been sent to silence the girl's dream.
But she's just a child. She has done nothing wrong.
She dreams the truth. And those who lie fear the truth. Listen, not all strength is in resistance. Sometimes, the moon survives by shining quietly.
Must she suffer because her mother was chosen? Must I lose her to win?
Bodike mbochago agemelikwayo. Chickens. Bait her with it. Burn no candle. Speak no word. If her spirit has not left her body, she will answer your call. Bodike mbochago.
It is done. Now she will know who the real son of Chike is. You have to be careful. You meddle with a man that died in peace. Anything you do to her, she comes and overcomes it. The gods will lift her so high. Oh, you're rich. Then I'll have to destroy her before she endures. Okome, the rains are with us. Proves that the journey. You say, hey, you said she will fall, but I'm not seeing anything like that. I want to destroy her. You say waters deeper than your feet. Her father was not just any ordinary man. He was the chosen one. His peace make enemies quake. He's returned and he walks with fire. I need power. Give me power. I want to finish her. Then you must journey to Olori Cave. When you get there, speak the name of the Forgotten One. But I must warn you, powers gotten from darkness doesn't return without a price. I don't care. I don't care. Even if I die, I want her destroy. So shall it be. You stir waters, but on your feet. Careful, young man. Careful, young man.
Adeze, my child. The one that carries pain with dignity. I'm always there for you.
You should have said something. You should have said something, Papa.
Love unseen is still love. I gave you room to grow. A palm tree needs wind to stretch. My spirit had always been with you. In every small laughter, I'm not just your father, but your protector.
I am afraid your brother Zemina needs blood.
A lion does not always roar at night. Sometimes he watches in silence. I'm no longer just your father, but your protector.
What must I do?
Go to the river and sing that song I always sing for you.
The spirit of your father is there for you. Don't fear, fear is for cowards.
Because of the Father.
Inanukwa konada.
Because of the Father.
Inanukwa konara.
Because of the Father.
Inanukwa the voice.
Because of the Father.
Inanukwa.
Spirits of Olorike, I offer the sacrifice. Strike Adeze. Let her name be wiped from the mouths of the ancestors.
You have crossed a path you do not understand. You have awakened sleep beneath the earth.
I only seek revenge. They have insulted me.
And now you have taken your peace. You will not sleep again. The battle you started will finish in front of the entire village.
Set fire on that woman. That child carries light. I see grave on the one that has chosen not to repent. Spirits of the land, I come to cleanse myself of this atrocity. Tony. Tosa, Tora, Tokwa. Go, that I shall be clean.
Oje ka owulo na. Oje ka owulo na.
And he told me not to eat anything from Ozemena.
Words are like feathers. Once he's blown out, it cannot be gathered back. I understand. I forgive you.
Please teach us how to listen to each other. Maybe you can hear the voice of love.
Grandpa said only the kind hearts hear the voice of heaven.
It's okay. We are going to the village square now.
Let's go together. Keep on coming.
Let me go and hide this thing where nobody will find it. Let me bury it. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, please.
The Lord knows the truth of sin. Your hands are soaked with curses.
Please forgive me. I was blinded by hate.
When a man swallows a machete, he should not complain. When it causes your truth, you will not die yet. You will live and confess everything and return. Hope you see return.
I confess before God and you all. I have sinned against God and man. I'm sorry for all I did. I put my trust in this charm. I went to shrines seeking power because I envied my brother. His joy, his honor, and his light. When death came, I thought I had won, but I never knew I murdered peace in my sleep. I'm very sorry.
Ozemena. Ozemena. Can you imagine? So it was you. So you are hiding behind smiles, carrying death inside your pocket. Oh,
you killed peace in your family, your own family.
The same blood that runs in Papa runs in you. We are blinded by bitterness, but today the gods has unmasked scale.
Adeze, please forgive me. The daughter of the man I killed. Please forgive me.
I release you from bitterness, but know this. Repentance is not just words. You have to denounce everything.
I confess my sins before God and you. I confess my sins. I sought life from death, power from charms. But today, I forsake darkness and I beg for mercy.
May heaven hear his cry.
Hear me, my people. Darkness deceived me. Envy took over my mind. But today, let my shame be a warning to all of you. Let my life be a lesson to all of you.
My Adeze, you've carried sorrow like a pot, too heavy for one bag. But today, you pour it out. You forgave where others will curse. You embrace where others will reject. That is strength and not weakness.
Papa, all my life I thought you rejected me. But now I have seen and I believe that you were with me all this while. Thank you, Papa.
Love does not rot in the grave. It flows like a river, unseen, but present. Even when you doubted, I was there. Even when you were down, I lifted you. Now you can see.
Mommy, he's shining and he's smiling.
He's at peace now.
My daughter, it's time for me to rest. I have seen you rise from the ashes. I have seen you forgive. You have restored my honor and broken the curse. Now live and live without fear.
Go well, my husband. Rest in peace.
May your path shine brighter like a morning sun.
The spirit of your father is there for you. Don't fear, fear is for cowards.
Because of the Father.
Inanukwa konada.
Because of the Father.
Inanukwa konara.
Because of the Father.
Inanukwa the voice.
Because of the Father.
Inanukwa konada.
Because of the Father.
Inanukwa konara.
Because of
they
the
say
Father.
Victory is assured.
Because of the Father.
Darkness disappear.
Because of the Father.
You are born for this assignment. Always be courageous and they say for the strength of your father.
Because of the Father.
Is with you always.
Because of the Father.
For the strength of your father.
The chosen one from my bloodline. The chosen one from my bloodline. The chosen one from my bloodline.
It's true there are many oppositions and challenges ahead.
The chosen one from my bloodline. The chosen one from
of your feather is there for